Oh, it was definitely not a fart, I'll tell you that much. That's a fuck ton of rings, thank you. I'll take the extra 2, but it should have been like a fucking 30. Can't even get a 30x in gates. Purples hit. Greens follow. Maybe greens. No greens. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No rings. No rings. No rings. I'll take it. 400 bucks. Not bad at all. Once again, I saved the balance. Not you guys. Me. Alright.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute. All good, just a week ago. Crew at my house, and we party every